guys, this is Kryptoschnack and welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new, welcome, and for those who are not, welcome back. Nice to have you all here. And we have brilliant, awesome, gigantic news, guys. And we just gonna start right away. Get in there. So check this out. We moved 4% up. We are at 12,320K, and we just made a move of 4%. Ethereum up by 1.6%, and Ripple is just going up crazy with 7.3%. It's almost at 32 cents. And yes, we have Chainlink consolidation phase, I would say, after the massive increases in the past days. Bitcoin Cash is catching up a bit and is up by almost 6.2%, and as well Litecoin 8.5%. So massive moves going on. Tron with 11%. We just gonna see what are the winners of the day. Ocean Protocol 46%, Yearn Finance 20%. So you see there's lots of movements going on, but Bitcoin is the key to the movements we see here. So let's go into some news. So Pantera tells SEC its crypto fund has raised nearly $165 million. So again, we have talked about Grayscale, and the Pantera is another example how much money is going into cryptocurrency in the moment. And this is just great news to see that Pantera is able to raise so much money. Then again, today when we hit the 12K, the Bitcoin hash rate hits record average high with 12K price inside. So we have seen a massive move in the total hash rate at the same time when Bitcoin was passing 12K. And what we see is as well that the correlation with gold is dumping by 20%, which is normal when the price is going up like that crazy. And Bitcoin, yeah, we can just check the chart right now. So this is the main part of the video, guys. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. And if you want to give feedback, please just comment in the comment section down below and give me a thumbs up if you like to. So let's get back into it. We are at the 4-hour chart, but we're gonna first start with the daily chart. So guys, what we had here was a few days of sideways trading, but the trading was going still upwards slightly if you bought in average the entire time. So now I was telling you that the price target we have is up here at almost 13,400. If I move it here, you see this is where we want to go. And we have some hurdles. We just have to take the 13K. But again, the most important part right now is that we stay above 12K, and this for a consistent time. And even if it goes back down, that we don't drop way below 12K, but we get to 12K and we hold the 12K. That's what I was looking for. And you see we broke out, so we can take this away, and we see what trend is gonna happen afterwards. So this is great news, guys. This is what we all have waited for. And now we're gonna go into the 4-hour chart, and we see how big Bitcoin was moving today. At 2 p.m. it was actually we started to make this 4-hour candle. And yeah, so it looks really good. But again, we had this time when we went to 12,100 and moved down right away again. We have now a red candle, so we have been at 450, $12,450. So we are just slightly below that, but we have been moving even down to 12,328. So we have been moving in like between plus minus $100 dollars, and it's we are just like fighting a bit with the 12,400K currently. So what's the outlook here? So if we go back and we check the weekly chart, just have to close that a bit down. Gonna move that away. So if we take this chart in the long term, this here, this is massive. Honestly, this is massive. If you just compare that, we had here like slight moves at the beginning in 2017. Of course, this was from a price of 1K to almost 3K. So this was like a 200% increase, and then it stabilized and it went even further. If we look, we had this kind of green lights in the 5 weeks. We are in the 5th week right now. If we hold this, the week is still long. We have 5 candles, and here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles in 1 week, where every single week was green. We haven't had 5 candles in this upward trend, and we had here 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, but this was like a massive move, so no surprise something it wasn't a next one coming here, because there had to be a consolidation phase. But if we look at what we have right now, and this is what I mean, I really like this, because I do like it, as these massive weak gains are not so safe, I would say, and I like to see smaller weekly gains, not so much movement, rather than small gains. So we have here the time frame to 2021, and where I have my mouse right now, this is the place where people say, well, what's the chance of a new all-time high in this year? And I still believe it could be possible. And if you say we are still moving slightly up with some consolidation phase, we could hit the 19K by the end of the year. And I do think that at the beginning of next year, we would have a new all-time high. This is like my personal thing. I had another article in my last video where I was talking about analysts saying that when we hit 12K and we can hold the 12K, the chances to reach a new all-time high by the end of the year is going to be 30%. And that's the point. I mean, do we want to be up here already? Yes, everyone who wants to make profits wants to be. But what's going to happen here? Big movements. Is it going crazy, like really crazy? If we make it a bit smaller, you see that the 100K is really far away. What we first have to hit is the 13,800. Once we have moved to over this high in 2019, we will like the 10K we were fighting for. This is what we need to look for next, because the 13,800K would mean that there is almost nothing that has been higher before, apart of these crazy weeks in 2017 and beginning of 2018. So once we have stabilized here and we move further, the next step should be 16K. So if we are reaching 16K by November, that would be great. It can go, of course, much faster, but this would be a healthy way of going up. And I would suggest we rather have a healthy way than a crazy way like here, and then we have a little crash again. I don't think that this is going to happen soon, and I do really like how it is, how we have a really nice way of going up. I'm just going to draw a channel. We have the channel going this way. Just gonna draw that for you. And we have another one, and you can see that we are on pace, and we are really good on pace, to be honest. I'm sorry, that was a mistake. So you see we have these weekly we have this weekly channel right now, and we had this moment here when we had the breakout, because all the charts, all the analysts were saying something needs to happen. Either we go down or we go up, and since then we had 5 weeks going up currently. So we could go up till 14,500, and we could go still down again to 1200, 400. It can still go like this, sideways, 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 sideways. This means if we go further, this means that if we go in this channel like this, we are still at a new all-time high of like end of next year or autumn of next year. I, to be honest, don't believe this is gonna happen. I think we're gonna move much faster. But currently we are sitting in this channel, so tell me your opinion. I would love to hear your opinion. So if you want to share your knowledge or your opinion, please just go into the comment section, let me know. And I hope you like this video. I do think the future of Bitcoin is very bright, but we still have to be calm and don't panic or be over ecstatic. Just reading the numbers, calm, and think how the price can develop in the next few weeks. I do think we have a lot of potential still laying out there, and it's going to be a really exciting time coming up. So guys, if you like this video, please just subscribe to my video for new videos every single day, and take care. I wish you a wonderful day. Take care, guys.